Robert Kiyosaki's controversial views on money and wealth. As human beings, we all strive to achieve financial freedom in life. However, the path to financial freedom is often riddled with obstacles, uncertainties, and misinformation. That's where Robert Kiyosaki comes in. Robert Kiyosaki is a world-renowned author, speaker, and financial education advocate who has written numerous books about personal finance, including the best-selling Rich Dad Poor Dad. Kiyosaki's philosophy is based on the idea that anyone can achieve financial freedom by adopting the right mindset and following certain principles. According to Kiyosaki, the key to financial freedom is not to work harder but to work smarter. He believes that by investing in assets that generate passive income, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses, we can build a strong financial foundation that will enable us to live the life we want. Kiyosaki's philosophy has positively impacted millions of people around the world. His books have become the go-to guide for anyone seeking to achieve financial freedom. However, Kiyosaki's views on money and wealth have also come under scrutiny from critics who question the efficacy of his ideas. One of the criticisms of Kiyosaki's philosophy is that he doesn't emphasize the importance of savings. Kiyosaki advocates investing in assets that generate passive income, but he also suggests taking calculated risks to achieve higher returns. Critics argue that Kiyosaki's philosophy is too risky and could lead to financial ruin if not managed properly. Another criticism of Kiyosaki's philosophy is that it's too simplistic. Kiyosaki's ideas are presented in a straightforward and easy-to-understand manner, but critics argue that personal finance is a complex topic that requires a more nuanced approach. They also argue that not everyone is cut out to be an entrepreneur, and that Kiyosaki's philosophy may not work for everyone. Despite these criticisms, Kiyosaki's philosophy has had a significant impact on society. His books have sold millions of copies, and his ideas have inspired countless people to take control of their finances and work towards financial freedom. Many people credit Kiyosaki's philosophy for helping them achieve financial success and independence. In conclusion, Robert Kiyosaki's views on money and wealth are both positive and controversial. While his philosophy has helped many people achieve financial freedom, it has also drawn criticism from some who question its efficacy and simplicity. Whatever your views on Kiyosaki's philosophy may be, there is no denying that he has had a significant impact on society and the way we think about personal finance. Do you think Robert Kiyosaki's ideas about money and wealth are controversial? Please comment below. Thank you for visiting Free Market Economy.